Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the American economy continues its remarkable run, although corporate earnings guidance is showing some hesitation. US jobless claims last week came in at 200,000, a decrease and more than expected. Interestingly, this is the same level it was a year ago for the same week. There are now 1.62 million people on these benefits, also lower than expected. And tomorrow's US non-farm payrolls are expected to grow just 113,000. But today's data on initial jobless claims, job cut data, and yesterday's ADP data all suggest the analyst estimates are well undercooked. Certainly markets think so and see the strong labour market and the pressure it puts on the economy as a reason the US Fed may defer its next rate cut. Today's release of personal income and personal spending levels both indicate faster rises than expected, also a flag for Fed caution. But not showing strength, however, was the October edition of the Chicago PMI. The latest update in Canada for average earnings has them rising a rather remarkable 4.6% from a year ago. That's its highest rate since the pandemic, and before that since the GFC in 2007. Was also quite a data surprise. China's manufacturing activity snapped a 5-month contraction in October as the recent fresh stimulus measures boosted production, but only just. The country's official PMI came in at 50.1 for the month for factories, and their services sector came in at 50.2, only a minor expansion. It may only just be the start of their expansion, but they're probably disappointed at these early indicators. And breaking a 17-week trend, container shipping freight rates actually rose last week, up 4% from the prior week, to be 126% above pre-pandemic levels. Bulk cargo rates fell 3.5% on the same prior week basis, to be very similar to what they were a year ago. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.27% and down 2 basis points from this time yesterday. And Wall Street has started its Thursday with the S&P 500 down 1.7%. Earnings guidance from some majors is causing the rethink. And the price of gold will start today at $2,739 an ounce and down $37 from yesterday and well off its high now. Oil prices are up 50 US cents at $69 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is unchanged still at $72.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 59.6 US cents and down 20 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're also down 20 basis points at 90.8 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 20 basis points as well at 54.9 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 68.6, and no surprise, down 20 basis points from yesterday at this time. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again on Monday.